What's up, guys? Welcome to That Creative Life. It's me, James Mathis. Today, we're going to talk about what is EDC and why is it important. So let's roll that intro and let's get started. Okay, so for me, EDC, the whole everyday carry. It's what you carry on you every day to go throughout life and to do your job, to do the things around the house, do the things when you're out and about, the things that you need to be able to work on the stuff that you enjoy or that you love doing. For me, being a photographer and a musician, mine tend to be geared more towards things like that. So, we are going to break down what I have on me because I literally just went out and about to the fall festival at Prater's Mill in Dalton. And I wanted to show you what I took with me and explain why I carried each thing that I carried with me. So, starting off with the outerwear, I guess, sunglasses. Makes sense because, you know, it gets bright outside and you need a good pair of sunglasses. Feel like that one's pretty self-explanatory. I found this while we were at the market. It is a very nice turquoise ring. There we go. I've been wanting one of these for a while just because, especially where I grew up close to the Cherokee Reservation, needed one of these, right? Next up, we have a watch. I like to be able to tell what time it is without having to reach into my pocket. Normally I have a fitness tracker, a Fitbit, but today I was rocking the Movement just because my wife got this for me for her anniversary, so I figured I should wear it. So that's always something that I like to have with me because I don't want to be pulling out my phone and wasting the stuff that's going on around us. Speaking of phone, iPhone 13 Pro Max, it's too big. Next time I want to get a smaller one. Yeah, 13 Pro Max. Great phone, just a little too big for me. Alright, also have a wedding ring. That doesn't come off, so that's just a normal part of life at this point. So the next thing that I always have on me is a pen and paper. So paper, and I actually have this pen today. And in my little fifth pocket, I have, nope, wrong thing, hold on. I have this little pen. This little pen is just for like if someone needs to borrow one because it's nothing fancy. This one, however, is by my friends over at Big Idea Design. If you want a fantastic pen, go there. Not Tactile Turn. Tactile Turn sucks. Go here. Great pen. Trust me, I have both. I can tell you. Big Idea Design. This one is wonderful. Check them out. Anyways, I have the Write in the Rain notebook because waterproof. Never know when you're going to need to leave a note on somebody's windshield. If your wife accidentally backs into them or something. You know. If you know, you know. Moving on. The other thing that I had in my little fifth pocket is my utility knife. It is a Damascus steel utility knife. Thing is sweet. It's the TPT Slide. Another Big Idea Design product, but this one is the best darn EDC. I'm not gonna curse on my channel, but you know what I'm talking about. It's his signature one. I put the lanyard on it myself. Had to go with those faux Damascus blades. Look at that. Oh, they look so good. Definitely worth checking out if you ever use one. Has a pry bar at the end or a flathead. It's also got the 1/4 inch driver bits. If you have a bit you can put in there and you can use a screwdriver. I mean, this thing is wonderful. Highly recommend those as well. Moving on. I like to carry multiple knives on me because you never know. I have mine that I will use if I need to. And today it was the Wee Banter, the Knife Banter. And sometimes this one may be a little big if someone needs to borrow a knife or if you're in mixed company and they're not knife people. This one might be too big. So I have the little brother. I've got the Baby Banter. And this thing is so cute. And it's much smaller if you can't tell. So great little pocketable knife. This thing can slip in a fifth pocket if you need to. This is very unassuming. It's not really going to freak people out. Highly recommend this one. Moving on. Okay, next up. Wallet. I always have my wallet with me because you need a wallet. That's where I keep the cards, and really like half of those are insurance and driver's license, but yeah, wallet. Next up, I have a flashlight. Why do you need a flashlight? Because sometimes I might want more light. Or I'll tell you honestly, the thing that I use this for the most, when I have to go check on the baby at night while my wife's sleeping, I put it on the brim of my hat, just like this, put it on the low mode, whoop, 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 and I can go check on the baby without bothering her, and I can have my hands free to pick up my sweet little girl and tickle her and mess with her and try to wake her up, because that's what dads are supposed to do, right? But flashlight has come in handy more times than I can even begin to tell you. Next up, we have my Multitool, and you've seen it before. It is the wonderful Gerber dime because I needed a pair of pliers I needed scissors. That is why I carry this, because it has both of those. That's really all I needed it for. Wonderful little tool. Wonderful little tool. And last but not least, out of that pocket, the PM photo tool. Why? Because I'm a photographer and I need screwdrivers constantly. And this one, I keep a flathead on one side and I keep Phillips on the other. And this thing has come in handy. And yes, there's a memory card in there, just in case I forget one or I fill up one or whatever, or if I have one that corrupts. This is a wonderful little tool. Highly recommend. A little pricey, but not bad. Plus, it's Peter McKinnon. You know, I'm a sucker for his stuff. So, do I carry anything else with me? This last one, the most important thing a dad can carry. This is the ultimate tool every dad needs in their repertoire. And I'm going to bring them back because it was a thing when I was a kid, and it needs to be a thing now. Is a handkerchief. Good old hanky. Because I can use this thing as a blanket for my little one when she gets cold. I can use it as a burp cloth when she eats and she needs to burp. I can use it to clean glasses. I can use it to clean a lens. I can use it to do a multitude of things. So a handkerchief is probably the most important thing that I carry on a daily basis. Now, why does this stuff matter? Why should people make videos on EDC? Why is it so important? This is the stuff that we use on a daily basis that makes our lives easier. And by sharing what I use and what I find, maybe it can help you and in your daily life. Especially something like this, need a good screwdriver option, because we don't always want to be carrying around something crazy like this, which is a wonderful tool, but not exactly pocketable. Or maybe you've been wanting a multi-tool and you didn't know that the Gerber dime existed, and this is a cool way for you to figure that out. That's kind of the whole point for me doing some of these EDC videos lately. This is stuff I carry every day to make my life easier and to make me do my job better and stuff like that. I guess you could technically say my hat is also there, but you'll always see me in a hat, trust me. But I hope this video helped you understand the importance of EDC and what it is, and I hope you got to see some cool stuff and you enjoyed it. If you have any questions or if you want to let me know what you carry, down in the comments below, I'd love to see. Start a conversation about it. And if you enjoyed this video, drop a like. And if you're not already subscribed to the channel, it'd mean the world to me. I love you guys. Don't forget to live that creative life. I will see you next time. Bye.